I'm Casey Hall,
And I'm Mackenzie Wren.
and we're here to talk to you about the Clarkston-Rollins Connection, which is also known as CLARC. And the CLARC Community Engaged Seminar is a combination of facilitated seminars and community volunteering that strengthens RSPH students' ability to make positive and sustainable contributions to improving the health and well-being of vulnerable populations both locally and internationally through grassroots relationship-based community development.
The course encourages students to integrate their coursework and experiences by exploring concepts of ethically engaged community-based public health practice. The course emphasizes tools of self-awareness, cultural humility, community awareness, collaborative planning and implementation, and practice of self-reflection.
So what do you get out of the course? Rollins School of Public Health provides many opportunities to learn theory and method. This course supplements this theoretical framework and methodology by providing hands-on, real-world experience in community, building relationships, and applying your public health skills. This course is rooted in a deep appreciation of the communities we serve and our belief that they are the masters of their own destiny. And it is up to us to support that, not direct their experience. We help you approach this concept through helping you understand positionality, which is the idea of examining where you belong within the community, intersectionality, which is the idea that there's multiple intersecting identities that influence everything that we do. And lastly, asset-based community development, which is an approach that focuses on the assets of a community rather than the deficits. For the seminar component, we typically have classes that meet on Fridays, usually weekly or bi-weekly in the fall, and by spring it's once a month. It's from 3 to 5 p.m. and they're usually on campus, although at times we may have community outings. We cover an array of topics designed to help you understand how you show up in community and how to engage with and serve community from an asset-based perspective. Often, public health focuses on the deficits and problems. An asset-based approach means you look for the strengths of the community and work with the community to identify their own solutions. We encourage dialogue, reflection, and self-awareness, and most of all, we encourage deep respect of community members and agencies. We are there to serve them, not vice versa.
For the volunteering portion, participants are expected to commit roughly 10 hours of community-engaged activities per month, which is about 22 to 30 hours per semester. The majority of these hours will be completed with an assigned community partner. The instructors provide students with possible group assignments to either community-based projects, like curriculum development, workshop planning, community needs assessment, or direct service, tutoring, family match, things like that. It's possible for participants to develop a community project with a community organization that they identify if it's approved by the instructors. On the screen are the logos from our community partners. Most are refugee serving and several serve multiple different populations. The agencies represent a range of activities that include tutoring, micro-enterprise, community development, and doula training. And they also include job preparation and training, family connection, and multiple other kinds of opportunities.
So is this seminar right for you? The first thing to consider is that you can be in any department in any year of your program. So we typically have students who are in their first year. This is because a lot of times second years have a large time commitment for things like thesis or capstone projects. But most of our students are in their first year from multiple departments. You should consider logistics, and some of these include things like the time commitment that we already referenced, as well as the seminar time, which is throughout the year. So you need to be available for the Friday seminars, as well as the volunteering hours. Keep in mind that this program is required for certain students, such as Coverdell Fellowship students. And you need to take into some consideration transportation, for example, because most of our volunteering opportunities are in the town of Clarkston or the surrounding area. And so we try to pair students with other students that have vehicles. And there's also public transportation, bike paths, and other availability. But in general, we try to connect students with students that have vehicles of some sort.
This is a 0-credit course, so as such, there's not a lot of work outside of the course other than your volunteering. We do ask that you do reflections about once a month, but other than that, there is no heavy papers or project requirements. We also, given the variety of our community partners, we've arranged it so that there are multiple different time frames for volunteering. Many students volunteer on Saturdays or Sundays, in the evenings, in the early mornings, and we try to pair you first with your first choice, but then second, according to schedule. Many students find that they have small windows of time when they can serve, which from an asset-based perspective means that it's not always easy to meet the needs of the partners. So one of the reasons why we have so many partners is so that students can find the ideal time frame and service project that works for them. The next 3 slides are quotes from different participants talking about the impact of the course on their life. We think this course is awesome. We love teaching it, and we love working with students and with our community partners.
We thank you for attending this webinar, and we hope to see you in fall.
Our contact information is on the screen.
Thank you.
Bye.